Now let's start with the question number 3. In the question number 3, now it says to go with the trapezium rule. We can see this is going to be our y0 value, and this is going to be y last value. So we have these two information and other values are in the middle. So we know in the theory part of this one, so how the area is coming is h divided by 2. You get that, and you also go to the y0 plus 2 times whatever in the middle plus yn. This is the area. So if we apply that one for this, because the first question says to find the integration here, okay, we can write the answer as, here the h is going to be this gap, which is 3. We can write h equals 3, y0 equals 8.485, yn will be 1.100. So that is going to be 3 divided by 2 bracket 8.485 plus 2 into these two values, which is 2.502 plus 1.524 plus 1.1. So once you have these numbers, you're going to get the answer as 26.46. So that would be the answer for our 2 decimal places. Okay. After this, we can go with the B part. B part is also quite similar, but we can see there's a slight modifications to the equation. So if we take another colored for further clarification, we can write this. Since it's the same range, we can write this plus separately 2 to the power 11 and 6 divided by root x squared minus 2. So this is kind of similar to this, but there is 12 and this is 6 here. So what we can do is, okay, let's first figure out what is this one says, because we have to first simplify that, and that will be added to the other one. No? So let's figure that out. This one is like 2 to 11 1 dx. We know that's going to be 1 time x to the power 0. We know when you have x to the power n, we're going to get as x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So similarly here, we're going to get sigma 2. We can just straight away differentiate actually. 1 times this 1 is here, x to the power 1 divided by 1. Gap is 12 to 11. So what you have is x. So what does that say is 11, usually upper limit, lower limit. So then you have the answer as 9. Okay, that is what you have for the first part. So I'll just highlight it like the theory part here so that it won't disturb the question. Okay. Now let's come back to this thing. We can write this 6. We can write it in a way such that this would give us, I'm gonna like a little bit clean this space since it will be like otherwise messy. Okay, once you have it, you know this answer is 9 plus 12. You can make up the 12 as in the previous question. by taking a half to the front. If you have half times 2 to the power 11, so then you have 12 root x squared minus 2. So this is the normal equations that we have. So it's going to be half times this answer, we know it's 26.46. This will be giving your final answer, which is 22.33. So this is the final answer for the other part. So this wind up all the trapezium question. Thank you.